Hey guys, welcome back to the Griddle, guys. You see me on a mower, I gotta teach Jeff how to use this thing. It's one of his newest toys he just got. And he had a little accident this week that... Legit accident. He could have got hurt. Thank God he didn't. But he needs some help with some training. Anyway, so that's why you caught me now, but we are doing a cook today. Stir fry?
Stir fry.
Chicken stir fry?
Chicken stir fry.
Noodles. It's gonna be very good. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Stay with us.
All right, guys, so this is not that complex. I know Nate likes to give me crap, but we got sauce. We don't even need to marinate the chicken. We're just going to cut up chicken thighs into chunks. We're going to make a sauce. It's got sriracha, hoisin, fish sauce, and some soy sauce with garlic and lime.
Dark soy sauce?
Dark soy sauce is what I like. It calls for regular soy sauce, but if anybody's ever tried the double dark or double black soy sauce, it's just got a lot more flavor.
I just realized I might be crunching in the mic, but does peanuts go in this?
Yeah, peanut goes on the top.
All right, I'll put these back.
So we get the sauce, then we get the garnishes, you know, which goes on after. Some crushed peanuts, some mint, cucumber, carrots. We did julienned. You can buy the shredded carrots. It'll save you some time. Some green onion, and these are the noodles that we got. Rice noodles. They're the wider noodles. It definitely seems to work better with the stir fry. But anyways, we're just going to do the sauce now, put that together, and go from there. All right, so we're just going to do a full pound of these. I think it's a pound. Yeah, 16 ounce. I'm doubling the recipe. The recipe calls for half, but we're going to double everything. These take about 5 to 6 minutes. You can do this minutes before, you can do it hours before, you can do it the day before, because after we take this out and drain it, we're just going to run it into cold water, so that way it stops cooking and it's good to go.
And once we put them on the griddle, just a couple minutes to warm them back up, right?
Just, yeah, it's quick. Yeah. It's real quick.
And mix it together. I'm a little nervous about this fish sauce. Do you eat fish sauce, Nate? Have you had it?
I've used it, yeah.
You've used it?
Yeah.
You, Jeff?
That guy?
Yeah, I mean...
It doesn't smell pleasant.
It smells terrible.
It smells terrible, but I'll tell you, once you throw it on the griddle, with the combination of everything else, the aroma that comes from it, you'll see. It's
really?
amazing.
I do see a lot of people throwing in recipes. I guess I'm looking forward to it, because it's not something I've ever cooked with. You, Nate?
I have, yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, it's kind of like using anchovies. It's just savory.
Yeah. All right.
You know,
Looking forward to
that
it.
umami flavor.
Looking forward to it.
So for the sauce, just going to be 2 tablespoons of dark soy. You can use regular soy.
You're measuring it? Good for you.
Roughly.
It's not like my house.
Roughly. 2 tablespoons of the fish sauce.
Hurry up and close that thing. It stinks. Yeah, too much. Too much.
You don't have to go overboard with this.
But Jeff, you've done this. You feel that the fish sauce is essential.
Yeah. Yeah, and you'll see the depth that it brings.
That is a ton of
good flavor.
So this is a half cup of hoisin, and again, everything is doubled. So it's a half cup. The regular recipe will be a quarter cup, but we'll have that in the description below.
So that's basically Korean barbecue sauce.
Sure. Yeah, hoisin. Yeah, it's got a little sweetness to it. 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, minced. Gonna do some
Sriracha! You just spit it all over me and the camera. Nice work.
This I'm not gonna measure. But that. We got 1 whole lime. My fancy lime squeezer.
I gotta get one of those. I kind of like that.
It works. Really, that's it.
Just mix it together.
Mix it together.
That smells good, Jeff.
As soon as it hits the griddle, it just pops with aroma. That's it.
Done.
Done.
There you go.
What's going on, Jeff?
So these came out after about 5 minutes or so, and they get really, really sticky really, really quick, and they're cooked. So what we're doing right now is we're just cooling them down with cold water, and they can sit in the cold water until we're ready for them on the griddle. But that way they don't get sticky and they stop cooking.
Yeah, stop the cooking process.
Yep.
All right, cool.
So this is just the garnishes for after the cook is done. Rough chop mint. Make sure you rinse it.
Rinse it good.
Rinse it good. Green onion,
That was fast.
same thing.
Got skill.
You're just going to take the green part.
And there's a finger or a knuckle.
You always want to roll your fingers back. Keep your thumb behind them.
Just got game. Look at him go. Wow.
So that's good enough. So really, that's all basic. The thing I do different is the cucumber, and we'll show you that next. Cucumber. I make my wife salads every single day. Make them fresh. Started switching it up with the way I cut the cucumber. Gives it a different texture. Takes the seeds out, and it's just different. You know,
Pretty. You pretty it up.
pretty. So the way I do that is a very sharp knife. That's key, and you want to make sure that you do not cut yourself. This is washed.
So you cut up to like 3-4 inches.
So what you do is you peel it, and you just go slow. You don't need to rush, and you keep going around. And don't worry if it cuts out and if it breaks off a piece. That's okay,
Start
because
over again, right?
we're going to keep cutting it anyways.
Looks like you've done this before.
I've done it, unfortunately, too many times for my wife's salad. So, anyways. So you keep going like
Oh,
this.
you're not even taking the skin off. You're just going all the way.
Going all the way. And you just keep unpeeling it, unwinding it.
I thought you were going to use a veggie peeler for that.
No, and then you get down. Well, this is a organic, not that it really matters, but organic cucumber, and I washed it. So we're actually doing the skin as well. And again, it's crispy. So we got down to
Almost the seeds.
the seeds.
Yeah, pretty good.
And then what we do here is I'm just going to slice this to pieces, stack it. That.
Ah, interesting.
Just go across it like that.
I like it.
Like I said,
That's cool.
it's
Nice
different.
job, Jeff.
Yeah, that's different.
Different. Stacks nicely. Looks nice. Tastes good. Different texture.
Yep. I like it.
That's it. I'll
Nice.
do the other one, and then we're pretty much ready for the griddle. I'm just going to cube up the chicken, and
You can still cut this up if you wanted to, too, to put it in.
good. Yeah, but I won't. So, this is going to go together quick. I mean, we did all the work in advance. Just going to put some oil down. This is the cube chicken or sliced chicken.
Strips of chicken.
Strips chicken. Little oil.
Literally oil pouring on the bottom.
Oh, bumble! All right, go.
What's the second one?
That's why he always says two.
Separate it out.
I'll get that and wash it.
We're just going to do like a partial cook on this. So, we want it to be like 60% cooked before we add the sauce. All right, so this has literally been what, like 3 minutes, guys?
Yeah, 3.
Cooks quick, and it's because it's like 80 degrees out or almost 90. So
After a rainstorm.
after a rainstorm, you'll see at the end. This is something that we're just going to add the sauce now. So the chicken's about, I don't know, 60 to 80% done. We're going to let this cook for a little bit, and then we're going to start warming up the noodles.
Grab the other spatula, mix it all in there. Do your, there you go.
Yeah. There we go.
This guy's good. You can tell he's done this before. He's good.
Now, Chris, come over here and smell this. See if you smell dead ocean or if you smell amazing.
Ooh, yeah, that smells good.
That fish sauce
No,
is
that fish is gone.
that fish is gone.
That terrible smell that we had of that, yeah, that's gone. It smells really good.
It's amazing. It really.
Like I just walked into a Japanese steakhouse or something. That smells really good.
Place?
Huh?
A yakitori place?
Yeah, it smells delicious.
All right, so we're just going to kind of finish this. Once this is almost done, you'll see that the sauce is thickening. And once the sauce thickens a little bit, We can oil this side, put the noodles down to warm those up, and then that'll
Add
be
the
it.
fixins. We're going to add what?
Just gonna do the carrots.
Just the carrots?
Just the carrots and the mint.
Okay.
Everything
Yeah.
else we'll just throw on after. So this has probably been another like 4 or 5 minutes. I'm just gonna toss that. Sauce is thickening. Smells incredible. Gonna put some oil down in
good.
the griddle just so the noodles don't stick. And then the noodles are going down. I drained them. Gonna move those around.
I like it. Looks good.
Put some oil.
It's gonna be a big, big stir fry, Jeff.
That's it. What's going on?
I like it.
Oh!
Chris, you want to get the carrots?
Yep.
Get all the sauce
Goes right on top.
right on top. And then the mint. Perfect. Lost some again.
Try to keep it on the griddle, Jeff.
I know, it's not easy. Really could use tongs, but
No, this is great. I want to see a little flip of the handles, though. Flip of the...
we've already lost enough.
Yeah, that's true.
So we're just gonna spread that around.
Oh, smells great, guys. Nate's favorite word, smell-o-vision. Is what it is. It smells great. If you could only smell it right now.
Definitely smells authentic.
Pretty
No doubt
much.
about that.
This is good.
Yeah, that looks
This is
great.
good. We just wanted the noodles warm. The mint is cooked. The carrots are starting to soften just a little bit. Still be crunchy.
So let this sit
And
for
you
another
can
couple
feed
minutes.
21 people.
And you can feed 20 people.
Yeah.
Well, 20 people. Now
Or three griddle guys.
we lost some over the edge, but
Or three griddle guys.
yeah, perfect. Perfect. We're gonna pull this off, plate it up, we'll be back. So I'm just gonna grab nice serving.
A griddle guy size of noodles.
Griddle guy
Nice.
size.
Like it.
Gonna do some green onions, some peanuts,
Nice. And some of that special cucumber.
special cucumber,
Oh, that's beautiful.
and then
Food porn.
Squeeze a lime.
Yeah, that
squeeze a
looks
lime
good,
over the
dude.
top.
That looks really good. Done. Let me hear the done, Jeff. Done.
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 That literally just landed on my head.
That's it. Chicken stir fry on the griddle. We'll come back, see how it tastes.
All right, so we're the taste testers, and this is outstanding. Really, really good. I would describe it as complex. I mean, you get a lot of mix in flavors between the fresh ingredients. The mint comes through just a little bit. The peanuts. It's actually tastes gourmet. I mean, this is delicious. Jeff, you nailed this one. This is
I
awesome.
do.
So if I put half the serving on the plate, I could call it gourmet?
Yeah, exactly. No, but it's really a complex flavor.
The chicken
It's-
is so tender. With the flavor, the chicken sucks up whatever flavor that sauce you put on. Oh my god, that's all I taste. It's so good.
No marinade either, right? I mean, that's just throwing it on, cooking it with it, not
You get a
marinating before.
little hint of the mint, just a little bit, just which makes it. Oh, I love it. So good, Jeff.
Yeah.
Well done. The noodles are perfect.
This is outstanding.
Perfect.
Really
I
outstanding.
like the cucumber.
For the griddle owners out there, follow his recipe. Try this. It is really, really good.
tasteful.
Freaking
Oh my
delicious.
God, very good.
Delicious. I hate complimenting Jeff, but he nailed this one.
Yeah, you did.
June had me do it, so I'll give her credit. She took it off the internet from somewhere. But it's been good.
Jeff's done an awesome job. Guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Is there still a bell? I'm not even sure anymore.
Yeah.
If there is, please hit it. Thanks for tuning in. It was a long day, but we're at Jeff's house, so we expect that. Good eats at the end, though.
Real nice.
Hey, what's up, guys? We had to plug the microphone into the...
Hear that? Only at Jeff's good.
We had to plug the mic in because Jeff asked us to come over and cook at his house. He picked the time, and you know, we got here.
It was sunny, about 82 when we arrived.
Been sitting on his flipping deck waiting for him. He's late at his own house.
He was in the shower when we got here. No lie. Swear to God.
In the time of waiting, the weather turned, and this is what we're now. So, not quite sure if you can get the gist of the heaviness of this storm. Thanks for being late, buddy.
Don't say anything, Jeff. It's all right. We are doing a cook going. Rain and shine for us. We're not sure what yet. Still waiting on Jeff for that.
We're shouting over the thunder and rain. Yeah. All right. Let's see what Jeff plans.